thunderstorm warning for DeWitt County, northeastern Logan County, southern McLean County, northern Pike County, until 6 a.m. At 5:10 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Atlanta and moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Clinton, McLean, Waynesville, Hayworth, Wipara, Downs, Weldon, LaRoy, Farmer City, Midland City, Hallsville, Weldon Springs State Park, Clinton Lake Dam, Lane, DeWitt, Moraine-View State Park, and Galesville. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 138 and 154. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 138 and 164.
This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 138 and 164. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning